Yeah, hello guys, it's your boy Blazer Bright over here. So today I'm going to train you on how to make a melodic trap type beat. So it's so easy guys, stick around. Everything that I'm gonna show you is very easy and very simple, like straightforward. Don't worry about anything, I got you. Let's get straight into it, right? Yeah, so first things first guys, you can listen to what I got before we start the training. Okay.
Bright on these beats.
Yeah, so guys, let me just show you on how I cook this. Yeah, I'd already done the arrangement, everything, so the beat I think is ready for me, unless and otherwise somebody has another idea. All right, so first things first, pattern 1 I had Nexus, and these are the chords that I had. Simple. Yeah, I wanted to layer the chords with another different thing. This one. Right. Yeah, I think I like that one. So together, this is how they sound. All right. So the next thing that I did, I introduced the hi-hats. So I introduced the clap like this. Yeah, as usual, I always like layering the claps together, like 3 of them. So I took this one, I think the little Uzi clap and the drip clap and the snare like this. Yeah, so all I wanted was for them to sound thick and heavy. Yeah, it's that simple. Then I introduced another hi-hat that sounds like this. Yeah, so when they work together with this one, this is how they sound. All right, so let me just bring in my melodies. So guys, when you introduce a kick over here, everything just changes up. So this is my kick. I took Chucky beat kick, right? So I have my sample packs of course over here. So when I come to my packs, I have a lot of things over here. So whenever you need anything, I just search. So when you need a kick, you just type in kick. All right. And from there you have like a million kicks. all you need is just select the kick that you like the most. I think I like this. I'll be using it in my next tutorial. Yeah, you just select a type of kick that you like. So guys, another thing that I would like to tell you is that sound selection is key towards making a banger, right? So guys, I'm introducing a kick in our beat. guys, it's just simple, and then by then magic happens. Yeah, so simple and straight. Yeah, from there I think I introduced the bass line. Yeah, I think I like that one. So guys, I used a guitar. I can hear a guitar over here. Yeah, actually guys, I think I like this one. So I think the main reason that I use a guitar over here is just to give my beat that given bounce, that given switch. I don't want to feel the same. I don't want to sound the same all over my beat. So I felt like switching up and bringing in a new test over here. So over here, I wanted to switch. Okay. So simple, guys. So okay, I think I have another instrument over here. Yeah, this is the melody. Yeah, so guys, it's all about keeping it simple. Don't complicate anything. So I use this xenology over here for the intro only. I never use it anywhere within my beat. So if you listen to it at the intro part,
bright on these beats.
Yeah, and then after the switch, I just muted everything. Okay, let me just make a summary over here. And guys, if you think there's anything that you need to know, just leave a comment down below. All right, so it's all about being simple. Don't complicate anything. Choose your sounds correctly and layer your things in the right way. All right, so guys, listen to the beat. If you like the beat, go and check it out in my beats channel at Bright on These Beats. Yeah.